Hello, let us look at this exponential equation. 16 to the power x minus 4 to the power x is equal to 56. This exponential expression is not like the ordinary ones that we have been solving in the past. Why? Because we cannot express this, and this to an index form that have the same base. We can express this to an index form with base 4. This one is already in base 4. We cannot express this to an index form in base 4. We can express this to an index form in base 2. We can express this to an index form in base 2, but we cannot express this to an index form in base 2. So what is the way forward? All right, let us express the left-hand side to an index form in base 4. So this one here becomes, we know 16 is the same as 4 squared, all right? And it was raised to the power x minus 4 to the x is equal to 56. All right, this one simply becomes 4 to the 2x minus 4 to the x. Then we take this 56 this way, minus 56 is equal to 0. Here we now see, we can see that we have a quadratic expression hiding, okay? And that will be brought out clearly if we make the substitution. If we make the substitution, y equals 4 to the power x, okay? If that is done, all right, this is 4 to the x squared minus 4 to the x minus 56 equals to 0. 4 to the 2x is the same as 4 to the x squared. So we just have here y squared minus y minus 56 is equal to 0. So here is a quadratic equation when we make this substitution. So it comes out very clear here. So to solve for y, we can use the quadratic formula. We know our a is 1. So y is equal to, quadratic formula is minus b plus minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Our b is the coefficient of y, so it's minus 1 plus minus the root of our b squared minus 4. Our a is 1 and our c is minus 56. All of that divided by 2a. Our a is 1. So this gives us minus gives us positive 1 plus minus the root. Negative 1 squared is 1. Negative times negative, positive. 4 multiplied to 56 is 224. All of that divided by 2. So this gives us 1 plus minus the root of 225 all over 2. So y is equal to, this one is equal to 1 plus minus root of 225 is 15. And so y is equal to 1 plus 15 all over 2, which is 16 all over 2, which is 8. Or y is equal to 1 minus 15 all over 2, which is negative 14 all over 2, which is negative 7. Okay? So these are the two possible values of y. Y is either 8 or y is negative 7. Now, we were not asked to solve for y. We were asked to solve for x. But this is a relation between y and x. So all we need to do is to put these various values of y in that relation to be able to calculate for x. So we'll take the first one when y is 8 and we'll put it there. All right. Remember, y is 4 to the power x. So when y is 8, we have 8 is equal to 4 to the power x. All right, this is the new exponential equation that we have to solve. Fortunately, we can convert them to a common base, which is 2. 8 is the same as 2 cubed. And 4 is 2 squared. When we multiply to that x, it becomes 2 to the power 2x. This index expression equals this index expression. The bases are equal. It therefore means that we can equate the powers. So from here, when we divide both sides by 2, we're going to have our x is equal to 3 all over 2. That is the value of our x. Now, when y is -7, we do the same thing. -7 is equal to 4 to the x. Now, this is impossible because when the base is positive, no matter the power, whether the sign, whether a whole number or fraction, we will never obtain a negative result. The base here is positive. No matter what power we have, when the base is positive, the result will never be a negative value. So this one is simply impossible. And so our only solution is the solution x equals 3 all over 2.